Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to exploring the Numberblocks 201 to 299 part 6, which call 216 to 218. First character we're going to build is 216. Numberblock 216 has 200 light peach blocks, 10 white blocks, and 6 dark indigo blocks. Well, first we build 6 slots of 6 by 6 square, which is 6 slots of 36, and that's because 216 is the 6th member of the Cube Club. That's why I build him as a Cube Club. He's the 6th member of the Cube Club. Like this. We got 5 lots of 36s, or 5 lots of 6s. There's only one 6 by 6 square left. It's a bit difficult to put it. Oh my gosh, it's very hard to put it on. Well, I think... Almost there. Oh my gosh, that's so tired. Oh my gosh, we got 216, which has 6 by 6 by 6 cube, and he's the 6th member of the Cube Club. Right. First we attach the eyes. He has rectangle eyes because he can make so many rectangles. And then we also create his purple eyebrows. Right, here's another eyebrow. I forget to take the stickers off. Oh, I think I should put it like that. And then here's his mouth. And we also created a cube symbol sign. Well, cubes, now I can put the cube symbol sign very easily there, because he's the 6th member of the Cube Club. He's the member of the Cube Club. Well, here's a bow tie. The numbers which can be divided by 54 should bear the tie, except for the number block 270. Here we've got 6 pattern to represent number block 6, and the middle is the multiplication sign, and the right one, which has the 36 pattern color, to represent 36. So 6 lots of 36 are 216. And 36 is also can split into 6 sixes. So 6 lots of 6s are 216. And we also created his own number link. Oh my gosh, so big. And here is our number block 216. 6 by 6 by 6 cube. Right. And this is the number block 216. Let's go to the number block 217. Next character that we're going to build is 217. 217 has 200 peach blocks, 10 white blocks, and 7 rainbow blocks. Well, 217, since he cannot divide it by 3, but he can divide it by 7. If he can divide it by 7, we got 7 lots of 31s. 31 is a demon. For some numbers, which are the unofficial number blocks like 62, 93, well, the numbers which can divide by 31 are all monsters, demon calendars. I know why, because 31 is at the 31st October. I heard that 31st October is the Halloween day, so that's why the numbers which can divide by 31 loves demons. Is a demon. Well, we got 100 blocks. Right. Here is the here is the first 100 block. Then attach the another 100. So we got 200, because 200 is made out of 2 lots of 100s, or 100 lots of 2s. Alright, the 100 blocks are almost finished, so we got 160 blocks. There, we got 200 first. Then we attach 2 lots of 100s like this, and then we attach 10 more white blocks to make 210. And then we attach 7. Oh wait, oh yes, I put it. Oh my gosh, sorry, just wait for a little bit. Yeah, like this. He has the demon eyes. I don't make the calendar because I don't want to waste too much color marker. Well, he has this demon eyes. Actually, he's not grounded because he just only the monster. Alright, we got violet features, and this is because to represent 7. And also he has the rainbow eyebrows. This is because he can divide it by 7. Like this. And also I create my own headband times 31. And don't forget his number link, 217. And there's our number block 217, which can divide it by 7 lots of 31s. I don't make a calendar, so that's why I just only put the headband and the monster eyes to represent the 31 divisors. Anyways, here's our number block 217. For the last character is 218. Well, we are going to build 218 into 200 blocks first. We build 200 light peach blocks first. So we got 2 lots of 100s. 2 100s are 200s. There. We attach it like this. Right. And then we attach 10 white blocks. So it got 210. There, 218. And then we attach face stickers. She has the face like a bunny, and that's because she splits into 2 lots of 109s. And 109 is the 29th member of the Prime Club. And the 29s is the numbers which can be divided by 29s, except from 29 or 290s are the bunnies, like 58 or 87. Wait, I forget to make the club sign. Actually, she's into the roaring 200s, 210s, 8 enders, 18 enders, even club made out of 1 club, the roaring bunny singing. This is my own club, not official club, and the 109 club. Oh my gosh, meh, I think that's okay. And then we attach number link, and here is our number block 218. And this is the end of today's video. Which character do you like the most? 216, 217, or 218? Please leave the comments. So make sure to see my new videos. If you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So if I know that, I will make the new video for you. So see you again next time. Bye.